So, as you know that my stick nodes is broken and I can't export anything, any animations, and I'm like still in a mood of uploading stick nodes content, I'm just out of boredom. I decided why not make a tutorial series on stick nodes because, well, that and I kind of made one already, but I just not added onto anything, so I decided, sure, why not. So, I also wanted to flex my wallpaper because I like it a lot. So I'm going to be using the BlueStacks version of stick nodes. It has nothing on it, but it's the best I can do. Also, I will set up all these files over here for an introduction and such. And it's 1:42 a.m., so I'm going to sound very tired, probably because I'm very tired. So I made a PowerPoint slide on basically what I will be covering and such. Basics. What I will be covering is like need to know basics like walking and running and such things that you'd commonly be doing in your animations, and the useful tools that I don't see a lot of people using. So behind the scenes, there's some effects that I do now and then because, some people always asking how I do them, and I cannot write in one comment how I do it. And also questions in the comments that cannot be answered with a single comment, because normally if I have a question on how I did something, I could just type it out, but if I can't, then I'll have to make a video on it. My big brain self forgot to do this part and why I'm doing this, and also I only realize now how bad my microphone quality is, so I'm gonna have to record with my phone next time. But the reason why I'm doing this is literally because I'm bored. I want to practice using my voice in more videos, because why not as well. And also, legit, I just can't do anything with stick nodes, and I do not want to become a Blender only channel, because, not a bad thing, but I want to have a nice balance between both, so this is the best I can do for now. This is not the best introduction you'd see on YouTube, but I ain't no professional, so this is what you're getting.